Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Brahmin's Cafe. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare mango kesari. For this I have taken 2 mangoes which is peeled and de-seeded. For this 1 cup of semolina or rava I have taken. Sugar is 1.5 cups and ghee I am taken around 1/4 of the cup, the same which I measured the semolina. Milk, around 1.5 cups of milk I have taken, and a few kismis and cashew nuts for frying. First we need to make a pulp of the mangoes with the help of a blender. So once the mango gets blended fine, we need to cook this mango pulp. So here I am using water for making cooking the mango pulp. If you wish, you can even add milk to it, but that will make the dish very rich, and very heavy as well. So that's the reason I'm preferring water to be used. So while mango gets cooked, I'm trying to fry my kismis and cashew nuts. We need to fry these cashew nuts until it becomes brown in color. So when it becomes brown, we can remove it from the oil and start adding the kismis to it. So it will not take much time, maybe 1 or 2 minutes for frying these dry fruits. And one thing we need to make sure that we need to keep the flame low while frying it, otherwise it gets burned very fast and it will not taste good in the dish. So once the dry fruits are fried and removed from the oil, from the ghee, you can use the same ghee, for frying the rava. So here I have taken 1 cup of rava, and for 1 cup of rava, the measurement is 1.5 cup of sugar. So we need to fry this semolina again for say max 4 to 5 minutes in low flame. So till it becomes brown in color, slight brownish in color. So that is the time. So this is how the rava should look like, slight brownish in color. You have to switch off the flame and remove it from the heat. Now let's move on to the mango. You can see the water, whatever we have added, has been completely evaporated and mango looks cooked now. It will not just take much time, same time as I took for my rava to get fried. So now at this point I'm adding milk to it. Milk, I'm adding 1.5 cups of milk, and we have to wait till you start seeing the boil in that mixture before we can add the rava, roasted rava to it. So I can see boil in the system, in the dish. So I'm just adding the roasted semolina or rava to it, and we have to keep stirring it until you can so that the lumps will not be formed. If the lumps gets formed, then it doesn't look good in the kesari. So it will not take much time, maybe 3 to 4 minutes, that you will see that all the moisture is absorbed by the semolina and this dish start coming off from the vessel like this. So this is the time we need to add the sugar. For 1 cup of rava, I am adding 1.5 cups of sugar, and we need to keep again stirring it, or so that the moisture, that sugar gets dissolved fast and it gets evenly distributed across the kesari. So once the sugar gets dissolved, it will become little watery, but you have to still keep it in the flame of medium flame and keep stirring it until the semolina absorbs all the moisture in the dish and it becomes thick and start coming off from the vessel. So once it starts coming off, it looks like this, and you need to add the dried fried dry fruits we had, and you can mix it, and your dish is ready to be served. Hope you enjoy this video. Until we see next time, bye.